Welcome to the class of mathematics. In today's video, I will discuss about the divisibility test for 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. As we all know, 12, 14, 15 and 16. These four numbers are the composite numbers. Composite numbers means that they have a factors other than 1 also. So these four numbers have their factors. So the number which divides on their factors is also divisible by them. Means, let's take an example of 12. 12 has a factor of 4 and 3. So the number which is divisible by 4 and 3 is also divisible by 12. Next is 14. 14 has a factor of 2 and 7. That means if a number is divisible either by 2 or 7 is divisible by 40. Next is 15. 15 has a factor of 3 and 5. That means a number which is divisible by both these numbers is also divisible by 15. Next is 16. 16 has a factors 2, 4, 8. That means if a number is divisible by all these numbers is also divisible by 16. Now 13 and 17 are the prime numbers. Means both these have no factors other than 1. So let's start with the divisibility test of both these numbers. For divisibility of 13, we need to multiply the last digit by 4 and add it to the rest of the numbers. If the result is the multiple of 13, then it is divisible by 13. For example, we are taking an example of 637. When we multiply 7 with 4, we get 28. On adding 28 to 63, we get 91. On dividing 91 with 13, we get 7. So therefore, a number is divisible by 13. Now next is the divisibility test for 17. Multiply the last digit by 5 and subtract it from the remaining numbers. If the result is 0 or divisible by 17, then the number is divisible by 17. I am taking an example 2992. Its last digit is 2. Multiply 2 with 5. We get 10. So after subtracting 210 from 299, we get 289. It is obvious it is the square of 17. Already divisible by 17. But those students who doesn't know the squares and the cubes, then how we can find? Next, in the next step, we will multiply this 9 with 5. What we will get? 45. So subtracting 45 from 28, we get minus 17. And on dividing minus 17 with 17, we get minus 1. So therefore, this number is divisible by 17. So now, in the series of basic concepts of mathematics, we had already discussed about the different divisibility tests up to 17. I will suggest you that if you want to ease your calculations then you must know about the divisibility test and also the sum of the important concepts. If you make calculations faster, you must know the squares up to 25, cubes up to 25, values of fractions 1 upon 2 to 1 upon 10 up to 1 upon 10, different values. It will help you to faster your calculations. In our next video, I will discuss about the multiplication of 11 with 2-digit number, 3-digit numbers, and so on. So stay tuned and suggest if you have any suggestion or comment if you like this video. Thank you.